Hello children. So today I came up with the video of the topic that was left in this chapter, that is mole fraction and volume percentage. Okay children, mole fraction, it is the ratio of number of moles of a particular component to the total number of component. For example, what I'm saying to you is, if we have two components A and B, that means, and we have to calculate the mole fraction for A component. So the number of mole of A, that is Na, upon total number of mole of component, that means Na plus Nb. And if we have to calculate mole fraction for B component, then it will be Nb upon Na plus Nb. That means for whatever component we have to calculate, it will be in the numerator side and total component will be on the denominator side. And one thing we have to notice, that the sum of xa and xb, x is the representation, or you can say the chi it is, okay, you can say x it is. So xa plus xb is equal to 1, always it is. That means if we will calculate for the xa, अगर हम xa के लिए निकालेंगे और हमें xb के लिए नहीं निकालना है या हमें पता करना है, तो what can we do, that is xa equals to 1 minus xb. That means from this formula we can get the value of the another one. Okay, moving to the next is volume percentage. Again, if we have two component A and B, and we have to calculate the volume percentage of A, that means volume of A upon total volume into 100. And if we have to calculate volume percentage of B, that means whatever the volume of B upon total volume, that means A plus B into 100. Okay, now next is the numerical related to mole fraction, and that is a solution contains 25% water, 25% ethane and 50% acetic acid by mass. Calculate the mole fraction of each component. Please remember, if it is by mass, that means whatever the percentage it is given, it will be in gram. अगर ये बाई मास है तो यानी जो भी परसेंटेज दिया होगा वो ग्राम में होगा. 25% का मतलब होगा कि वाटर 25 ग्राम, इथेनॉल 25 ग्राम and acetic acid 25 gram. That means by mass it is. Okay, so the answer is, first before this you need to recall the formula of acetic acid and water. The formula of acetic acid is CH2COH, for ethanol CH2C, CH2O, CH3, CH2OH. Okay, and the total mass, if it is 100 gram, then the mass of water is 25, mass of ethanol 25, and mass of acetic acid is 50 gram. So the number of moles, if we have to calculate for the number of moles of water, that means given mass upon molar mass. So what is the given mass for water is 25, molar mass is 18, the answer will be 1.388. Same, if we have to calculate for ethanol, then 25 upon 46, that 46 comes from the molar mass of that compound. Okay, same for the acetic acid also, 50 upon 60, 50 is the given mass, that is 50 gram, and 60 is the molar mass of the acetic acid. From here you can calculate the number of moles, and now the total number of mole will be 1.388 plus whatever they have came, we have added it, so it is 2.764. okay, so if we have to calculate one by one, that mole fraction of water, if we have to calculate, then of that component, यानी जिसका हमें निकालना है वो रखिए ऊपर. अगर हमें वाटर का निकालना है तो जो वाटर का आया अपॉन टोटल, अगर हमें इथेनॉल का निकालना है तो इथेनॉल का जो आया 0.543 अपॉन टोटल, और एसिटिक एसिड का अगर निकालना है तो 0.833 अपॉन टोटल. तो ये जो क्वेश्चन मार्क लगे इनके रिस्पेक्टिव आंसर होंगे, दैट यू कैन कैलकुलेट. ओके चिल्ड्रन, so these are the few types of the numerical that we have solved for the molarity, molality, mole fraction and volume percentage. As volume percentage is there, same as it is, mass percent is also there. Now what you need to do is just go through your NCERT in text numerical, try to solve it. If you have any query, then please ask me. I'll make it clear. Okay, and from next time we will be starting our new chapter, but before this we will solve your queries for sure. Okay, thank you.